Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to become rich. 5 reasons why most people don't become wealthy. So before we get started, let's cue the intro. Before we do get started, I do want to let you know that this channel is about making money online and creating passive income. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I'm putting out content every single day and you do not want to miss out on that. So the number one reason that why most people never become rich is because it never actually occurs to them that they could become wealthy. You see, you grow up somewhere where you go to school and nobody around you is rich, you hang out with friends outside, nobody is rich, and it just seems like some sort of a distant thing that some people just get lucky and get born in a rich family and that's just the way it is and you can't do much about it. People don't realize that, but it's just as possible for you as for anybody else to actually become wealthy. But because you don't grow up in an environment where like your co-workers probably aren't rich and anybody else around you is probably not rich, then it just seems impossible. But it definitely is possible for anybody to become wealthy. And since you don't believe it's possible, you don't take the steps towards actually making it happen. And that's why most people do not become wealthy. The second reason why most people don't become wealthy is they never decide to. No matter who you're around with, whether you're around extremely wealthy people, you hang out with Bill Gates and Warren Buffett and all these people, if you don't make a decision to make it happen, then it will never happen. You have to decide that you're actually going to do it. You have to take the very first step and then just continue to grow and push through everything that you're doing, learn and implement everything that you're doing. If you continue to do what you've always done, you'll continue to have what you've always got. And that's something that a lot of people don't understand, is that they have this dream that they really want to do it, but they never take the first step towards actually making it. So you really have to decide that you actually want to do it. You have to put it in your mind that this is going to happen no matter what. You're going to push through it and you're not going to stop until you actually make it. The third reason is procrastination. You see, a lot of people always find a reason why it's not the good time, the good hour, the good day, the good week, the good year, and the good season. It's like there's always a reason why you can't do it. Like there always will be. Sometimes you're too tired, sometimes there's, you don't have a good internet connection, or there's so many things that make it so that you can't do it. And the people who don't make it always have that reason, and therefore they keep pushing it further and further away, and they never actually get to start because they always have that same reason or different reasons why they can't do it. Because they don't have the right camera equipment if they want to make video, they don't have enough money to spend, they don't have the time, anything like that. That that is something where they just keep pushing away because they think that later it will be better, but it's not going to be better later. It's just you have to start now, whether you have a bad camera, whether you have no money to spend. It doesn't matter, you just have to start now and right now, because otherwise you will never start. The fourth reason is they are unable to delay gratification. Instant gratification is everywhere, and I've talked about this in other videos. If you want to watch a movie, you go to Netflix and it happens. If you want to get driven somewhere, you call an Uber. If you want to get food, it works the same way. And you can get everything right now whenever you want. It just is the way it is. Like, that's the way the world works. People get delivered everything at their home. And if you work at a job, it's exactly the same thing. You work at a job, and by the end of the month, you will get paid. That's just the way it is. However, people who want to start an online business, or any business for that matter, aren't going to get instant gratification. That is delayed gratification. So if you want to have something right now and you want to look for all these shortcuts, the best shortcut is to not try to get shortcuts. That is just the way it is. It's just going to take some time, and that's like, you have to deal with it. If you can't deal with it, you have to get a job. That's just the way it is, because things are not just going to happen right now. And if you always try to find shortcuts, you'll never get there. The secret to making money is, there is no secret. You just have to put in the work. So, and a lot of people say this, but that's just how the world works. If you want to make a business, whether it's online or offline, you are going to have to take some time, and it's going to take some time for you to actually make it. Maybe it's months, maybe it's years. It really depends. And some people take 10 years before they actually make some money. So don't worry about that. It's just going to happen. And if you have to like feed your family, yes, you have to get a job, but when you come home from your job, you have to work on your business. That's the way it happens. The fifth step is the lack of time perspective. You see, everyone has 24 hours in the day, but a lot of people say that they don't have time to do this and that, but you just have to prioritize and think about what is important to you, what you want to do with these 24 hours. So yes, you have to, maybe you have kids and you have to feed your kids, maybe you have a job and you have to go to your job because you have to make a living. Maybe there's some other stuff, but a lot of people are that way. You see, J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter and who became a billionaire, she did that while having a full-time job and being a single mum. So if she can do it, and like, she was a hard worker, but she didn't have much time in her day. But that's just like, you have to find the time to actually do it. She found the time to write her book because that was important to her. And so many people are like that. Like, nobody starts at making 10 million before they like make $100. Like, you just have to find the time to actually do it. So that was my video for today. I hope you found some value in this video. Make sure that you do hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure that you watch some of my other videos which tell you exactly how to make some money online and how to make passive income. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.